How to save a route on Google Maps tutorial. In today's video, we're going to show you how to save a route on Google Maps if you're someone who frequently takes the same route or you want to save directions for later. This tutorial will make it super easy, so let's get started. First things first, open your Google Maps app on your phone. In the search bar, simply enter the destination you want to save a route for. Or you can simply tap on the destination. From there, simply tap on directions, entering your starting point if it's not already set, or select the current location point. Choose the preferred mode of transportation, whether it's driving, walking, biking, or public transport. Once you see the route, you can either tap on the three dots in the upper right corner or simply swipe up from the bottom. Depending on your phone and Google Maps version, you will find an option that says add route to home screen or save for later. If you cannot find that, simply tap on the three dots as I said earlier, and tap on share directions. From there, what you can do is simply tap on copy link, or you can simply share it with anyone, and that's it for mobile. It's really too easy to save your route so you can get back to it whenever you need. Also, you can simply pin it. Just tap on the pin and your trip will be pinned. Now you can go and tap on it whenever you want to go there. And that's it. That's how you can simply save a route on Google Maps.